Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of waterproof flooring here in Dubai. If you're looking for flooring that can withstand the challenges of a humid and sometimes wet environment, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know, from features and benefits to types, installation, and even a comparison with other flooring options. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the fantastic features and benefits of waterproof flooring. 1. Water resistant. One of the primary features of waterproof flooring is its incredible water resistance. It can handle spills, moisture, and even occasional flooding without getting damaged. 2. Durability. Waterproof flooring is built to last. It's scratch-resistant, stain-resistant, and can handle heavy foot traffic, making it perfect for busy households. 3. Easy maintenance. Cleaning waterproof flooring is a breeze. Just a quick sweep and mop, and you're good to go. 4. Aesthetics. Despite its practicality, waterproof flooring doesn't sacrifice style. There's a wide range of designs, colors, and textures to choose from, so you can achieve the look you desire. Types of waterproof flooring. Now, let's explore the different types of waterproof flooring available in Dubai. 1. Luxury vinyl flooring. This type mimics the look of natural wood or stone but offers superior water resistance. 2. Tile flooring. Ceramic and porcelain tiles are not only waterproof but also known for their timeless appeal. 3. WPC, wood plastic composite flooring. It combines the best of both worlds, the appearance of wood and the durability of plastic. 4. SPC, stone plastic composite flooring, similar to WPC but with a stone composite core, providing even greater stability. Now, let's move on to the installation process of waterproof flooring. Some DIY enthusiasts may try to install it themselves. We recommend professional installation for a seamless and watertight finish. If you're considering installing waterproof flooring yourself, follow these basic steps. Prepare the subfloor. Ensure the subfloor is clean, dry, and level before laying down any waterproof flooring. Measure and plan. Take accurate measurements and plan the layout to minimize waste and achieve the desired look. Start installation. Depending on the type of waterproof flooring, an underlayment may be necessary for added moisture protection and cushioning. Trim and finish. Trim the edges, install transition pieces, and add baseboards for a polished appearance. Let's compare waterproof flooring with other popular flooring options. Carpets. Unlike carpets, waterproof flooring doesn't trap moisture, making it a better choice for Dubai's humid climate. Hardwood flooring. While hardwood is beautiful, it's not ideal for wet areas. Waterproof flooring is a more practical choice. Ceramic tiles. Both ceramic tiles and waterproof flooring are water resistant, but waterproof flooring is warmer and more comfortable underfoot. Finally, let's wrap up by discussing some compelling reasons to choose waterproof flooring. Perfect for bathrooms and kitchens, waterproof flooring is an excellent choice for areas prone to spills and moisture, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Long-term investment. It's a long-lasting investment that can increase the value of your property. Health benefits. It's hypoallergenic and easy to clean, making it a healthy choice for your family. That's a wrap on our ultimate guide to waterproof flooring in Dubai. From its realistic looks and unbeatable durability to the straightforward installation process, waterproof flooring has truly revolutionized the world of flooring. Now it's your turn to elevate your living spaces with this incredible flooring solution. Check the link in the description below to explore our extensive collection of waterproof flooring options.